Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. So this is the technology that we are speaking about, and in our previous video we spoke about the project that we are going to implement in Pakistan, a country that up to 80% of its population is struggling to have clean, safe drinking water according to some estimates. So it's a low cost and decentralized water treatment solution that has an effective maintenance concept. So here's a clear advantage over this machine, over any other machine, is that it has a clear maintenance concept that's followed via internet and which has over 6 years of experience in Senegal. So in Senegal, there are roughly about 150 machines that are running and doing very well, running at 100% efficiency, and all 150 machines are still in service after 6 years. Now, according to some models, you can tweak the output depending on whether you want a salt filter or not. With the salt filter, we're looking at 4,000 liters per day. And without the salt filter, we're looking at 14,000 liters of drinking water per day. As you can see, a very small and very mobile solution at 80 kilograms, 136 48 by 48. This machine will literally fit anywhere, and it's not difficult to transport. With Swiss-made and Swiss accreditation, it's adapted to the harshest conditions, and it's very strong and robust. The advantage to this machine is that it produces drinking water that's certified to meet WHO standards. So we're looking at a high quality output, and with a plug and play option, automatic backwash, 4 filtration stages, including ultrafiltration and reverse osmosis, maintain communication thanks to a proactive assistant. So here's the advantage. Now, each machine is equipped with a SIM card that will give us all data regarding statistics, maintenance, spare parts, how everything is running. And as you can see here, there's also a solar panel in the background. So yes, the machine can be completely an off-the-grid solution. Here we see that in Africa, we have already embarked with several hundred machines, and all machines are fully operational. Going on to the technical information. So with the Swiss freshwater, we can see here that all these types of filtrations are successful. So we will filter out, of course, large branch, large waste, seaweed, sand, parasites, bacteria, viruses, calcium, chlorine and pesticides, hormones, antibiotics, and of course, heavy metals. Now, heavy metals is a big one in a country like Pakistan, especially because of heavy industry and mining. We can see here that it filters fluorine, cyanide, arsenic, and nitrate, lead, mercury, and other heavy metals, and of course, salt. So less than 7 grams per liter of salt is included in this machine. We're looking at different models here. One of the models that we spoke about earlier is the Delta UF model, which will have an output of 14,000 liters per day. And in this one, of course, we're not filtering salt. So if you take out the salt filter, then the output per day increases exponentially to 14,000 liters a day. The Delta BW model, equipped with a reverse osmosis membrane, can produce up to 4,000 liters per day, and it still clears out fluorinated or heavy metal charged arsenic, cyanide, or mercury. So if we look at the different specifications, now of course the machine is operable 24 hours a day, 365 days a year. And in an ideal context, the more it operates, the more efficient it runs. Let me repeat that. The more it operates, the more efficiently it will run, the more we can successfully have higher efficiency gains. We're looking at a output per hour of 600 liters per hour for the Delta UF model and up to 170 liters per hour for the Delta BW model. Daily production 4,000 versus 14,000. And we're looking at the necessary raw water to produce what we call 170 liters of output for the Delta BW model. Now here, of course, you might say that that's a low efficiency conversion, but in any reverse osmosis salt water production, we're going to have that inefficiency, and this is normal. As you can see, with the saltwater filter taken out, we're looking at 60% efficiency. So out of 1,000 liters per hour, we're looking at 600 liters per hour of output. The average consumption is 400 watts per hour, or 0.4 kilowatts. Power consumption peak at 600 watts, and we're looking at a 230 volt machine. Dimensions, we've seen here before, it's a very small and mobile machine. We're looking at 80 kilograms, height of 136 by 48 and 48. The backwash occurs automatically with the press of a button, very useful. And it has a control panel. Now the machine is programmable from distance. So it has a SIM card which goes into it, which is connected to the internet and which is connected by SMS as well. So the idea is that there are distance solutions to ensuring that there is a maintenance concept followed directly from Switzerland. Here we can see some pictures in Senegal. So for example of raw water, and here we see a brackish well in Gambia River in Senegal loaded with bacteria and heavy metals due to the mining industry, and the machine is fully functional in that context. Now, we spoke earlier about the proactive maintenance concept followed by the internet, and the proactive maintenance concept is based on a local maintenance. So we need a team on the ground that can be trained, who will be supported by an international assistance remotely to maximize the production and ensure the technical sustainability of the machine. There is a helpline which is dedicated in constant contact with machines and people in charge of the maintenance in Switzerland, who can, thanks to the SIM card, remotely access information regarding the machine. Now, each machine component has a determined lifeline of 2,000 hours or up to 12 years. The maintenance, therefore, is composed of 3 areas. Each machine needs periodic cleaning. The machine needs replacement of wearing parts and intervention in the case of failure. The international maintenance concept is based on a model that either functions alongside a regional maintenance center or without a regional maintenance center. In case of a development program, the regional maintenance center is in charge of the maintenance of all machines in the same region. Now, the international assistance, of course, also allows to change the program or to order the machine by SMS. In case of any problems, the machine can be piloted remotely. The proactive support package includes telemetry with GSM connection, a weekly or monthly report, maintenance procedures, videos, sustainability maintenance proposals, interventions in case of need, a priority helpline, and a guarantee that spare parts are available and on the best terms. Here is the project in Senegal with 6 years of experience. 80 systems are in service every single day. This has increased to over 100, and 100% of the machines are fully operating till this day. So that's in short a summary of the machine which we spoke about earlier, a proven concept, a mobile solution, a cost-effective solution, and a very adaptable one, especially to the Pakistani context. From Swiss Alpine Assets, I'm signing off here. Have a nice day and look forward to our next video.